closed vessels A and B of equal volume containing air at pressure P1 and temperature T1 are connected to each other through a narrow open tube. If the temperature of one is now maintained at T1 and the other at T2, where T1 is greater than T2, then what will be the final pressure? So these are our two containers having equal volumes V and V. Initially, that is case number 1, both of them are maintained at temperature T1 and pressure P1. So if we have to talk about the total number of moles in these containers, it will be PV is equal to nRT. So N will be P into the total volume, that is 2V, right? This is P1 divided by R, and they are maintained at the temperature T1. So these are the total number of moles. Now, in case 2, when the temperature of this is maintained at T1 and this is maintained at T2, the number of moles would remain same. And we know that since there will be an equilibrium, so the pressure here will be equal to the pressure here. So we can say that if X number of moles remain here and N minus X go here, we can say that for the container 1, P into V is equal to X R T1, and for container number 2, P into V is equal to N minus X times R T2, right? Let's just divide both of these, and by dividing both of these, what we'll get is that X T1 is equal to N minus X times T2. And we know what N basically is here. So to find P, we would just have to find the value of X, and we'll automatically get the value of P, right? So let's solve this equation for X. So X into T1 plus T2 will be equal to NT2, correct? So X will be equal to NT2 divided by T1 plus T2. So we have to plug this into, let's say, the equation 1. So P into V is equal to N. What is N now? It's the total number of moles into T2 divided by T1 plus T2. So P into V is equal to, now let's just plug in the value of N from here. P1 into 2V divided by R T1, T2 divided by T1 plus T2, right? This V gets cancelled out. So what we are left with is P1 times 2 times T2 divided by R into T1 plus T2. So this gives us the answer to be option B, and that becomes our answer.